Hi, I'm Ernie Conover. I'm here today with my good friend Jim Dahl. I've been buying lumber and burls from Jim for 35 years now.
I bet it's been that long. Yeah, it's good to see you again, Ernie.
Absolutely. Jim will tell you a little bit about what we're going to do here today.
Yeah, we just received this log in from one of our harvesting jobs. We're a pretty much full service forestry and sawmill operation. And when we find something like this, we usually call Ernie or some of the other better bowl turner guys and wood turners. Going to cut the burl off, and hopefully it comes out real well. You never know what you get. It looks like a pretty nice solid burl, but you get in there, it might be full of ants. We've been surprised or disappointed more often than not. As far as what we do here at the Dahl Lumber Company, like I said, we're a full service forestry and sawmill, and we buy standing timber. Crews go out and cut it. We bring the logs in. We make them fit the sawmill specifications, and we cut high-grade lumber out of it is our goal. But we have a real nice retail operation where we sell our really fancy kill-dried lumber, and you can find us online.
And I like Jim's operation because I can, as a cabinet maker or a turner, can go in and actually sort through the boards and pick the ones that strike my fancy. So it's a great operation.
Oh, glad to hear that.
Before we watch Jim process this burl, let's turn the clock back a couple of days and watch Jim's loggers safely fell this outstanding piece of timber at a selective cut about 70 miles south of Dahl Lumber Company's mill, which is located in nearby Southington, Ohio. Master logger Bruce Parkins is using the latest felling methods to safely drop this cherry tree. He is now cutting the notch in the direction he wants the tree to fall. The depth of the notch is about 1/3 the stem's diameter. Bruce now makes a bore cut all the way through the center of the tree that is parallel to the notch, and then cuts near the notch, leaving a hinge that is about 10% of the tree's diameter, and a backstrap, which is one of the roots of the tree. He now pounds a plastic wedge to ensure the intended direction of fall. He now partially cuts the backstrap and pounds the wedge further. One final cut to completely sever the backstrap, and down she goes, exactly where he wanted it to.
Well, we just got this load of logs in from a job, and the guys told me there was a real nice burl on one of the logs. Kind of anxious to see what it looks like. We can get a nice bowl out of it. Got a little bit of everything on this load. Just took a couple ash off. Here comes a giant red oak. It's a pretty nice log. Hey, there's the one with the burl on it. That's a pretty nice one. I'll set it over here and we'll just cut that off as soon as I get this stuff out of the way. outside. Pretty hard to find the exact right spot. Looks good. This log down here, where it won't roll, hopefully.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah,
Couldn't be better.
had a little bit of decay there, but hopefully you'll be able to work around that. Nice coloration.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that on the lathe.